that O'Reilly's Auto Parts right there. And I found three cool Hot Wheels. I found another Copa Camaro. I never seen that color. I'll show it to you when I get home. I didn't film in there because it was really quiet, and I've just never been in that store. And the Hot Wheels are right up by the counter, right underneath the counter, cash register. So I just got them, and then I'll show them to you when I get home, guys. I'll see you there. Okay, I'm back home now. This video is going to be kind of like, it's going to be a show and tell of what I got, and also kind of an update about the channel and Copa, and some shout outs as well. Here it is. It's November 27th now, and we have January 1st is when the big change is coming to YouTube, and we have no idea if our Hot Wheel channels will be around or they'll be wiped out. So I want to give a few shout outs here to other channels that are hobby and or Hot Wheels and Diecast. Sorry guys, I have problems kind of speaking on camera when I'm just talking. I mean, I had all this stuff in my head that I want to say, so I'm going to try to get it out. I'm not a very good speaker on camera, you know, unless I'm at the store looking at Hot Wheels or whatever. Other guys are way better than I am explaining this, but anyway, I want to give some shout outs. The first Hot Wheels channel is Toon Tracks Racing. Really cool guy. Go check his channel out. And then we got Diecast Dude. See, we're all a community here. We're all help each other out, comment each other's channels. We all love the same thing, you know. We love diecast cars, and so it's going to be a shame if YouTube comes along and wipes this out. I really hope not. I'm hearing some encouraging news. I don't know if it's true about Copa that they have. I don't know. It could just be all YouTube that just wants to wipe us out. Not even Copa. I don't know. You don't know who really to believe. I mean, does anybody really know what YouTube's going to do? We really don't. So we just know that Copa and FTC has put a scare on everybody. And I know my channel. I checked on YouTube Studio. I should have had that on my iPad actually. You know where it says the analytics about who watches your channel and everything. Most of the guys that watch my channel are like from 40. There's like 18 to 35 in age, but the majority is like 45 to 55. And then it says kids 13 and under 0%, and that's YouTube Studio. So that's their own algorithm that, you know, I can't control who watches my channel. I know I said that the other day, and none of us can. So how is it our fault? I don't know. Anyway, some more shout outs. This guy here, he's been with me since like day one. Emmanuel Guzman. He's got a cool channel. He's got Hot Wheels and he does gaming and stuff. And then another guy, Alfa Romeo Guella. He's just kind of starting out too, like all of us, and he shows what he got at like a Target and stuff like that. And then another guy is Mike Dyson. He gets a lot of stuff in the mail, and he shows he opens the packages online and shows what he got and stuff. And then Diecast Movies, that channel is really cool. Sorry guys, we have really bad weather here in Idaho right now. We had some snow last night. You could probably hear the wind in the background. The weather in the United States right now is really bad. Pretty much all over the Northwest and Midwest and stuff. So anyway, I just wanted to give some shout outs before I started. This video might be a little longer, I don't know. I just wanted to just to get that in there. Just to support other channels. Also, if my channel is gone on January, I still have my website. It's called hotwheelzone.com. YouTube can't touch my website, so that ain't going nowhere. If my channel's gone, I mean, I will put pictures until I find another video format, you know, a platform. But even if I find another platform, FTC is going to go after all these platforms. But anyway, if my channel's gone, be sure and bookmark my my website if you would please, because you can go, I'll put pictures of stuff you know, I'll go still do hunting video. I mean, still do hunting and then put pictures of what I found if I don't have any videos. But I'm hoping it doesn't come to that. I'm hoping I still have my channel. But yeah, please go visit hotwheelzone.com. You can actually comment on the video. I have pretty much a lot of videos that I've posted here on my channel on my website now. So if you want, you can comment on some of those, and you can put your website in there, or your YouTube channel that you have up right now. You know, get you a backlink on there. So, but yeah, I hope it doesn't come to that. I want to keep making videos here on YouTube. But if you would, if you want to, you can bookmark the site at hotwheelzone.com. So anyway, I just wanted to get that out of the way. Shout outs and my website and stuff. So now to the good stuff. Okay. This is what I got at the right. I mean, we haven't really got any 2020s here that I've seen. So they're not great. They're not treasure hunts or nothing like that. Let me take it out. Let me squeeze out. I got 3 Hot Wheels. They're not treasure hunts or nothing like that. I got 2 Matchbox cars. This is a 62 Austin Healy Roadster. I think Emmanuel Guzman got this one. It's really cool, so I'm going to bust it open here real quick. Okay. Take a look at this cool car. Yeah, Emmanuel Guzman showed this car the other day too, so I seen it and went ahead and grabbed it, so that's pretty sick. I like the color of it. Really nice convertible. Pretty cool. Yeah, these at O'Reilly, they're $1.69, so they're a little more expensive. But I'm just so desperate to find 2020s that I went in there and looked, and they didn't have any 2020s. But okay, the next one I got is a Volkswagen Caddy delivery Matchbox pizza. I thought it was pretty cool. It's not a muscle car, nothing like that, but I thought it was pretty cool. So we'll open this one up real quick. Boy, this it's hard to open here. This one, here we go. Check this one out. Oh, that's pretty nice. Look at that. Pizza, Italian eatery by Santini. Free delivery. That's pretty sick. It's a pretty nice little van, delivery van. Show the bottom of it there. That's pretty cool. Got a little window on the back. It's pretty nice. Okay, then the last one I got was this. I found me another 18 Copel Camaro SS in this color. This is the first one I've seen in this color. I love the Copel Camaro, like all of us do, I think. We'll open this one up real quick. Wow, that is really sick. Look at that. Let's see if I can focus in on that real close. Man, it is really windy outside. Man, being from California originally, I don't like the snow, but it's pretty to look at, but I don't like driving in it. Anyway, yeah, isn't that nice, guys? Really nice. Pretty cool looking car. It's got like a pinstripe on top of it. That's pretty cool. It's got like a little, is that a hitch or something on the back? What is that little thing right there? Anybody know what that is? It's like a lever or something. What does that do? Look at that right there in the back. There's like a lever there. See if I can get that to focus a little better. Let me tap on the screen. Oh, there we go. See that lever? Is that like a hitch? Huh. I don't know what that is. Anyway, those are the 3 that I got. These 3 here I got in a grab bag a few months ago. I'll set these right here now. But yeah, those are the 3 that I got at O'Reilly Auto Parts. Just wanted to show you this video and give you guys an update and talk some more about Copa and stuff. I really hope like I said, I hope our channels are still here, January 1st. I don't know why they wouldn't be, but you just never know. So, thank you so much, everybody who subscribed and watches the channel. I really appreciate it very much. And we will let you go until the next video. Happy hunting.